And I know you guys all know this, but if you really knew this and you really understood it on a level, none of you would struggle with appointment booking. Like if all of you guys understood how to properly use the scientific method, if you all understood how systems really worked and you knew psychology to a T, then you would know what to do to build appointment booking systems. So for all of you guys that are struggling with appointments, there is a gap in your knowledge on one of those three things. Because how could it possibly be otherwise? If you know how your market works and you know how the human brain works and how to write stimuli that triggers the response you want, and you know how to build like systems, and you know how to do the rest of it, like do the scientific method, you'll find the answer.
So like for appointment setting, like through like, let's say for example, cold email, like according to the scientific method, you would only change one variable at a time, right? For it to be tested in like isolation, right?
Yeah.
But let's say the environment changes where you have to introduce enough variability to be able to have good deliverability for that matter. Like how do you then go about testing that and not just have one change or one variable at a time, but have to like change entire like copies just so that...
This is the thing, man, is you're thinking too small. So you're thinking about like you're thinking about having a single test. So what we do with our research and development is at any given time, I mean, Sawi, how many tests would we run at any given time? Like 5?
Yeah.
So at any given time, like if you run one test changing one variable at a time, then you can only ever iterate and test one thing at a time. But if you build a comprehensive system, you can run like 8 tests at the same time. And then you find what works 8 times faster. Like